Module 7 review, the human frame resource. From the research of Bowman and Deal, we see that people are important. We see that the organization needs to work as a family. The human resource frame has several components to it. The goals, that we're all working together. The decision making includes everyone and all ideas are welcome. That communication is very important and you need to be able to have that open communication. That planning is getting everyone involved. That the leadership, where we start, is more of a servant type. What can I do for you? And at the same time, you're also the starter of the conversations. We also have some key assumptions that human needs need to come first. That people and the organization need each other. Everyone will benefit when we're working together, and at the same time, if we become individualized, that everyone will suffer. When we look at our leadership hierarchy, my personal thoughts on it, we have the principal at the top. We have our students, teachers, and parents in the next tier. Now, I don't feel our paras are at the same level as our teachers as far as the hierarchy goes, but our students have to understand that the paras are just another teacher in our classroom, and that's where we come in as teachers to promote that. It works more for behaviors. The students are at the top in that section because at the end of the day, it all comes back to those students. The teachers are guiding the instruction for the students, but why are we here? So they work together. And then the parents need to be involved, and we need to be thinking about them also. We do have their baby. That's something that I learned early on in my career, is that is someone's kid. And especially since I've had a daughter, I want people to pour into my daughter, and I'm not just another student in the classroom. So we need to make sure we keep that in the back of our mind, especially when we talk to parents and maybe have some constructive criticism and this, that, and the other for their kids. Very important that we remember that. But all of those are working on the next tier. And then we get into the office staff, who are also very important. You need to be able to rely on them, trust them, along with the custodians that run the school. They run the school. You need them. You need people to report to them. When we have different situations and different things come up, those are the ones that you go to. Cooks, maintenance, personnel, underneath that, also very important. But as far as who goes to what, you see that this would be the sequence. And at the bottom, I left them out of the pyramid. I saw another video that had a good one that talks about the pillars, the community and the alumni being the pillars that hold up the pyramid. So I put them at the bottom, supporting everything within the pyramid. A good community is valuable. Good alumni that come back and bring their kids back that had a great experience at your school or in your school system is what you need. And that's what's going to drive our numbers. So that's what my leadership hierarchy looks like and how it breaks down and my thoughts on it.